Hi, welcome back to the channel, guys.
I got this.
We got Sam.
About some.
You got Ron.
About one.
All right. Unfortunately, I don't think any YouTuber or automotive YouTuber ever wants to make a video like this. But unfortunately, things do happen. No, I did not sell the FA5. But something did happen to it. So if you haven't guessed it by now, the Civic got in an accident. Well, I got in an accident. I did have Sam in the car with me. And luckily we weren't driving too fast. We were doing maybe like 30 miles an hour when a lady decided to pull out of a gas station. As I'm traveling straight, she pulled out, turned into the right lane, and without paying attention to the environment, she just swerved over and hit me into a curb. So 3 of my wheels are damaged. Also, I think my lower control arm is bent. Something happened. The wheels are damaged for sure. The control arm is damaged. I haven't really gotten under the car yet to see what really happened with suspension. I don't know if the coilover is damaged or what. My side mirror was busted, the outer shell. Also, the fender where I got hit is damaged. Luckily, the headlight wasn't cracked or anything. It's still good. Yeah. So their insurance is taking full liability. They called me on Monday. They called me on Monday to check up to make sure I was fine. The police report, the accident investigator gave her the wrong. Her insurance knows that she's wrong, so they're 100% liable for taking care of my car. However, today is the 27th. It's officially Wednesday. We had an adjuster come out this morning at about 8 a.m. Came and looked at the car and sent me an email saying they will repair, sent me an estimate. I'm not saying that's the final. Saying estimate in damages to be repaired is $2,600. Now, you guys know I do have the FD front end. FD front end is not cheap. The wheels on the car, which are Gramlite 57 CRs, are not cheap. So, 3 wheels alone will probably run you, I want to say, a little bit over, anywhere between $1,300 to $1,600. You know, minimum. So sending me a quote for $2,600 and we don't know how under the car looks, you're kind of going crazy. Because now you gotta either replace my fender, because that fender is shot. It's rippled, it's dented. I need a new fender. And now I want it painted. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go get it painted. You gotta get the wheels replaced. Now you gotta get my suspension figured out and get it aligned, because my shit was aligned. And I don't want them to repair my wheels, because checking the estimate, they're saying, repair the wheel. No, I'm not repairing those wheels. You guys see how it looks. I'm not repairing that. So tomorrow my car goes off to the body shop and they will take it up with the insurance. I spoke to the guy, RJQ Autoworks on Instagram. I'll tag their Instagram below. That's who will be taking care of my car. And hopefully I can get me a new set of wheels. The same wheels. I don't want no other wheels. I want the same set of wheels that were on the car. And my wheels were pretty mint, so I want back mint wheels. I don't want no reconditioned wheels, refurbished wheels. No, I want new wheels because my wheels were new. And yeah, just make my car drive how it's supposed to drive, because it was driving fine before. So with that being said, we are hoping that everything goes perfectly fine, and this is going to be a short video. It's not good news, but you know what? It's a blessing in disguise, because things happen for a reason. You know what I'm saying? And maybe something worse could have happened. Sam's fine. I'm fine. You know, the car just needs to be fixed. So once it's fixed, I will be having more content. Hopefully I'll be able to go to the body shop, you know, often here and there check progress on the car and give you guys updates, whether it may be on Instagram, where you guys can follow both the pages, Rendezvous and KBros_, and we can go from there. You know what I'm saying? So I know this is a short video, unfortunate video. It's not a video I really want to be making, but it is what it is. I want to give a big shout out to my brother and my sister who came by to the scene when it happened. Big shout out to Lemron and everybody else who has given me, you know, good advice. Everybody from the FD chat too. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it will be good, better news with the progress of the car. And yeah, I'll see you later. Peace.